In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use images as answer choices in Google Forms. This feature can be incredibly useful for educators and professionals seeking to make their quizzes or surveys more engaging and visually appealing. Let's dive into the process together. First, head over to Google Forms. You can do this by opening your browser and navigating to forms.google.com. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once you're in, you'll start with a blank form. This is your canvas for creating a dynamic questionnaire. Next, give your form a title. For our demonstration, we'll call it Sample Test. This title helps organize your forms, especially if you have multiple ones. It's a simple step, but a key one to ensure you and your respondents know what the form is about. Now, it's time to add a question. In the form editor, type in your desired question. For this example, let's ask, which of the following is not an Apple product? This sets the stage for using images to represent each answer choice, making the question more interactive. With your question ready, the next step is to type in the answer options. After each option, you'll see an image icon right beside the text bar. Click on this icon. It's your gateway to incorporating visuals into your form. After clicking on the image icon, you'll need to upload your desired image. You can either drag and drop the image from your desktop or click the Browse button to navigate through the files on your computer. Take your time browsing through your image library to select the right picture that corresponds to each answer choice. Once you've uploaded your image, it will automatically attach to your selected answer choice. You'll see a thumbnail of the image beside the text option, confirming that it's been added successfully. If you have multiple options, repeat this step until each one has its corresponding image. Remember, variety is key. Continue adding images to each answer option until you're satisfied with the choices provided. The more visually engaging your quiz, the more likely it is to capture the interest of your respondents. When all your images are in place, it's a good idea to preview your form to ensure everything looks perfect. You can do this by clicking on the eye icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will show you how your respondents will view the form, allowing you to test it out and make any necessary tweaks. Finally, when you're happy with how everything looks, you can rest assured knowing that the images have been successfully integrated into the answer choices. This not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your form, but also makes it a more dynamic tool for learning or data collection. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to incorporate images into answer choices on Google Forms, adding a touch of creativity and engagement to your work. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our content for additional tech tips and tutorials.